African family, hope you guys are good. This is your guy Kareem, the African advisor. Alhamdulillah, today I have another ID from my brother Albert. Albert, congratulations, man.
Thank you, brother.
And here you go. You can open the envelope and see the ID. And you can say some few words if you like.
Thank you. I feel so happy to receive this ID for real.
Wow. Thank you for that respect.
I've been waiting for this so long.
Okay.
Hopefully God has done the way. I thank God for this. Because it has not been easy.
I know that.
It has not been easy, so I thank God
You take it off, yes.
for receiving my ID. Batume ni mashemejwa kuba mu office Karima nkorera ibyo kutangaza abantu bari rimwe nari mbashimejwa kandi mbakira baza bakwenda kukagira Karimu umuntu w'amazima nakora visit visas, visa chebri, freelances, change status, file reduction n'ibindi byona. So abo kushemejwa kwanje mbashaka byane banje nije amwanyu ugu obundumu urimu Abubakar Sadiki mbe nabo kushemejwa abo bantu ndakora visas, all types of visas. You can come and visit this office. I'm so happy, and may God bless Mr. Karim.
Thank you so much, man.
May God thank you, and thank you also Richard for also helping us. And now here is umugisha mbwenu kandi n'abakubana benda kurya Uganda direct. It is also possible numbasa kora your freelance when you're still there. Our advisor is very trusted because we know ubucuruzi abakora visas, abakora benda visa ku mahanga like Uganda, Lingashi, in any African country. You can also come and visit our advisor, Mr. Karim.
Alright guys, as my brother Albert said, if you are even in Uganda or any African country and you want to come directly on a freelance visa, I think that would be the best option. Rather coming on a visit and then changing your visa, it's better to come directly on a freelance visa from your country. Requirements are very simple. You need a passport copy and a white background picture and a police clearance certificate. Only 3 things. Rest of details, our WhatsApp number is on the screen. You can contact us for the rest of details. That's it. See you next video. Till then, much love, peace, and as I always say, God bless Africa. All love.